Hello everybody, welcome to my chess channel. I'm Wilsoncruz from Goa. In today's video, we are going to see an interesting episode on chess, how to do checkmate for the enemy king using two bishops. To do checkmate, you need to follow 4 steps. First step says you need to bring bishops together. So you can bring bishop on d4. Let's say black plays king on e6. And now with white you can bring bishop on e4. The first step is completed. By bringing the bishop together like this, it restricts the area of the opponent king. Now let's say it is a black turn to play. In this position, let's say black plays a king on d6. A next step involved in this is the white king should help its own bishops to reduce the area for the enemy king to move. So let's start reducing the area for the enemy king. So to bring king on d2, let's say black plays anywhere. Let's say black plays 7. With white you can bring king on d3. Now if you look at this position, white king is helping its own bishop like this to reduce the area. Let's say black plays king on, white can play king on c4. Now we need to follow the step number 2. Reduce the area or make smaller area for the enemy king. Now let's say it is black's turn to play. Let's say black plays king on e6. So you can bring king on c5. Now let's say king moves on e7. Again you can bring bishop on d5. Now if you look, area for the opponent king it is reduced. Now let's say black plays king on d7. You can bring bishop on e5. Let's say black plays king on e7. Now in this position, we need to again reduce the area. So here, white can play king on c6. Now, if you look at this position, the area is becoming smaller and smaller for the enemy king. Let's say black plays king on e8. Now you can bring bishop on d6. Now if you see here, again the area for the enemy king is reduced. Now let's say king moves on d8. Now in this position the area for the enemy king has become smaller. Now we need to follow the third step. The third step says you need to push the enemy king to the closest corner. So black king has to be pushed on a8 square. Now how to do this? You need to cut off the squares of enemy king. Now here in this position you need to control the square using the bishop on f7. And now if you go to c, king comes on c8. And again to go to c, white has to control this square, that is d8 square on, white can bring bishop on e7, and now the king is getting pushed towards the closest corner. Now let's say here black plays king on b8, and now you can bring white king on b6. Now with this move, we almost completed step number 3. Our next goal here, after king comes b6, black has 2 options here. Black king can move on a8 and black king can move on c8. Now let's say black plays king on c8, and now we need to follow the 4th step. A 4th step says these 2 bishops should just give check for the enemy king. So here white can bring bishop on e6. It's a beautiful check for black king. And now let's say black plays king on b8. So again you can bring bishop on d6. It's a beautiful check. And now If black plays king on a8, you can move your bishop on d5, and now it is a checkmate for the enemy king. If you like my video and if you want to watch more interesting videos like this, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my interesting videos on chess. Do watch all of my videos in the description provided below.